Hello friends, citizens, and lovers of freedom. 15th August is a special day when we come together to remember how hard we worked to become free. We faced tough times, but our strong spirit and unity helped us overcome them. Our fight for freedom showed how determined and strong we can be when we work together. As we look ahead to a new time, let's remember that being independent means more than just having our own country. It also means having open hearts and minds and treating everyone fairly. We have a responsibility to make sure every person's rights are respected and their voice is heard. We shouldn't forget the people who sacrificed a lot for us. They went through hard times and even gave up their lives so we could be free. They left behind important lessons about things like telling the truth, avoiding violence, and staying united. While we celebrate what we have achieved so far, we need to think about the future too. Challenges will come, but we won't give up. We want to make sure that everyone has a chance to learn, stay healthy, and have opportunities. When we raise our flag today, let's think about more than just being free from another country's rule. Let's also think about how we can make our country better for everyone. We are starting a journey together with kindness and understanding to create a future where everyone has a chance to shine. May this day remind us to keep working together to make our country even better. Let's move forward with hope, caring for each other, and doing our part to make our country proud. Thank you, and let's all say Jai Hind, which means Long Life India.